In my previous video, for the storage shortage, I cannot upload efficiency, so I need to make another video for explaining efficiency now. So now I will explain you efficiency. We fulfill our daily needs with the help of transformation of energy. For example, we run an engine by transforming chemical energy stored in petrol into kinetic energy. But it is seen that the energy gained is always less than the energy given to it. That means some amount of energy can be wasted or lost due to the work done against the frictional force of the engine. So what happens when the engine converts chemical energy into kinetic energy? At the same time, that engine can produce sound, and also due to the frictional force, the engine can produce heat. So some amount of energy is wasted. Okay. So given energy equal to effective energy plus energy wasted. That means the energy which is given to the engine, that is not totally converted into the work done. Some amount of energy is wasted. So efficiency can be written in this way. The definition of efficiency I have written in the board: the ratio of the effective energy and the total input energy. What amount of energy is given to the engine and what amount of energy is our output? The ratio of those two is the efficiency. Efficiency is denoted by eta. This symbol is known as eta. Okay, it is little bit looking like N. And efficiency is always calculated in terms of percentage. Sometimes in the exam, this type of question can come: why is there no unit of efficiency? Yes, efficiency has no unit because you can see it is the ratio of same kind of amount, same kind of quantity. That's why it has no unit. So easily you can write it for 2 marks question. Efficiency can also be expressed in terms of the power. Look, efficiency equal to effective power by input power into 100%. That means for calculating efficiency, you can use this formula if it is required, and also you can use this formula. Dear students, now I will show you math for calculating efficiency. Now let us look at the question. An electric motor is used to lift a body of weight 10 Newton at a height of 5 meter. It uses electrical energy of 65 joule. What is its efficiency? Now, solution of the math. I think you have already seen the question. Energy used equal to force into displacement. Here the lifted up and a weight of 10 Newton. So here the applied force is 10 and the displacement is what? 5 meter at a height of 5 meter from the ground. So energy used equal to 10 into 5 joule, that is 50 joule. Here in the question it is already given energy given. The engine uses an amount of energy, that is 65 joule. Okay. So efficiency equal to what? You know, efficiency equal to effective energy divided by input energy into 100%. Here effective energy is what? 50 joule. Look, energy used, and input energy 65 joule into 100%. So by calculating this, I got the efficiency of that engine is 76.92%. Do you understand, everyone? In this way, I will give you some math. You will solve those math and of course submit it to the messenger. So if you have any problem in understanding the math, you will give message to me. So okay, goodbye everybody.